In the summer release, Commerce Cloud is launching new capabilities for headless commerce to empower developers to build commerce experiences faster with added flexibility. This includes new commerce APIs, trusted headless performance and availability, a best-in-class developer experience, new tools to accelerate development, and a headless solution kit. We're very excited to showcase the new Commerce Cloud Developer Center, a new site and community where developers can discover, learn, and share, and quickly build new custom headless applications using the tools and APIs that are part of the Salesforce Commerce Platform. Any developer can visit the site at developer.commercecloud.com. With the new Developer Center, developers will be able to improve their productivity with new tools, including sample apps and an SDK. The Developer Center provides a central hub for all learning and education, how to build with APIs in our sample reference architectures, as well as links to solution kits, trailheads, as well as a community engagement where you can engage with other trailblazers. Now, let's take a look at a demo of the Commerce Cloud Developer Center. Using the lens of a commerce developer, our developer arrives here at the homepage of our Developer Center after searching on Google. He finds developer.commercecloud.com and lands on the homepage. So here you can see all that we have on the Commerce Cloud Developer Center, and the Getting Started link is where our developer starts. On the Getting Started page, our developer can see clearly outlined steps on how to set up, create, and deploy his new app. On the right-hand side, developers can find quick links to things like guided learning paths and to API usage, documentation, Trailhead, and more. Continuing to scroll, you can see how to join the beta program, to build and deploy sample apps, some prerequisites you need to install, as well as how Salesforce is using technology like Node.js, which is a runtime environment that leading developers are familiar with and like to use. Continuing to scroll, we can see the steps on how to create the app. And there's a Getting Started experience, which is standard for JavaScript developers. So as we go down, we can click on Next Steps and our API reference. Here we can see how easy it is to make changes to the application. Developers can navigate to the API reference documentation that's fully publicly available on the Commerce Cloud Developer Center and browse the different commerce APIs we have to offer. Let's click on the Product API to learn more. On this page, you can see the developer guide, API specification, and feedback and discussions. Let's click on API specifications. The API specifications gives developers all the details needed for how to interact with this particular API. It even provides a mocking service on where to see a sample request and responses for that particular API. We can also see feedback and discussions. You can have a conversation with peers across the Trailblazer community or with Salesforce employees by asking questions about this API right in the Developer Center, since it has the community forums for asking questions that you might have. Thank you for listening to this recording on the Commerce Cloud Developer Center and the new headless capabilities as part of the summer release.